Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in this particular video under Sophos XDR series, today I'm going to demonstrate system requirement for our Sophos XDR. So guys, identifying system requirement with Sophos is very easy because I love the way they are creating the documents. Okay, so before you install agents for your, let's say, endpoint or server, okay, you'll first have to understand whether your operating system as well as your resources are enough for running the Sophos agent or not. And how exactly you can identify that? You can simply go, search on the Google Sophos Central Windows Endpoint System Requirement and click on the very first link which is available. So this is for the Windows endpoint and second is for the server, right? So I'll just show you how exactly you can check out this. So let me click on very first link. And once this is open, then you will see here it shows the information about our Windows client operating system, right? So legacy OSs are Windows 7, 8.1 and 10 32-bit, and it's required extended support license. Okay guys, but if you are running Windows 10 and 11, it's run very much smoothly. And as per their product type, you can see minimum and recommended resources for these operating systems, right? Whether it's a RAM, pre-hard disk space, like this. But when you scroll down, there is another thing you will find, that is index of system requirement for all Sophos products. So let me click this and open into the new tab. And when this is open guys, you will see all the information. So just for example, let me open this Windows server system requirement, and here you go. The similarly which we have seen here, Windows 10, right? So it shows all information for a server operating system as well, like starting from 2016 to 2025, and here are some legacy operating systems. And here is again your minimum and recommended system requirement. So things are very same guys. Now there is one option, index of system requirement for all Sophos product, right, which we have already opened here, index of systems. Now in this particular page, if you need all these details into the single file, then you simply have to click on this link, Sophos Central Supported Windows Operating Endpoint and Server Platform. So click on that and it will allow you, or let's say give you the option to download latest Excel file. So currently the latest Excel file is January 2025. So simply click on that. And as you could see here, we got the complete Excel file. So right now it's showing in a type of PDF format, right? So what we'll do, we'll just download that file and open. So let me open the file which is downloaded. And here you go guys, the file has been opened now. So in the first section, or you can say sheet, is showing the contents, which is Sophos Central Endpoint, Central Server, Microsoft Windows Servers variants. Now if you navigate to the central endpoint, here you will see the list of products. So you can determine which product you are using in your environment, right? And accordingly, what are the operating systems are supported, okay, service pack, architecture, whether it's a 32-bit, 64-bit, okay, and a type of variants, okay, version, like whether you are using home edition, pro, enterprise, data center, so whatever it could be, right? So all this information is available here, and this is very neat and clear. It's very crisp information, right? So let's say I would like to check for the Windows 11. So these are the service packs, these are the architecture and editions. Now which product you are using? So let's say I'm going with the Intercept X Advanced, right? So it has the capability of all Windows 11 with this particular agent type, okay? But here they have given the remarks 7 for what? Pro for education and workstation edition. So this information can be find you can check out into the below section. So antivirus only, so only antivirus component will be supported for this particular edition, right? So similarly for the server, if you would like to check out for the servers, then that is also you can do that. So let me just go here from Windows, starting from Windows Server 2008, it has given all the information, right? So what are the features are applicable for servers, or you can say product, then server protection, Intercept X, right? Intercept X Advanced with XDR, MTR Advanced, lockdown, update cache, message relay. So many features are available which you can simply navigate and identify what is the system requirement. Now if I go to the last sheet, then whatever the build number which is mentioned here, it has some of the description, which is very much easy for you to understand or navigate, right? So this is how basically you will be able to identify what is your system requirement, or so you can say supported platforms for your type of operating system. Now let me just close this. And for the resources like your RAM, hard disk, you can navigate this architecture. Guys, the reason I'm explaining this now, because if you are running with a very lower resources on your system, then after installing the Sophos agent, if you utilize that particular server with a very high or performing multiple activities, then there is a chances that so that your antivirus will eat lots of your resources just for the scanning purpose. Okay, so always understand the minimum as well as the recommended system requirement for your environment, and accordingly you can proceed with the further. All through majority of the systems are definitely compatible or having the more than more resources than whatever mentioned here, but this is always good to cross validate, okay, especially for the operating system, whether you are running the latest supported agent or not, like this. Now hopefully guys you are now clear that how to check your supported system requirement for your Sophos agent. And if you found this video useful, then please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.